Welcome to the instructions video for the CP/CPK Process Capability Interactive Calculator. This tool helps you evaluate manufacturing process performance by calculating both CP and CPK indices, showing you how well your process fits within specification limits and how centered it is. To use this calculator, you'll need to enter 4 key values. First, input your upper specification limit, which is the maximum acceptable measurement. For our example, let's enter 10.5. Next, enter the lower specification limit, which is the minimum acceptable value. We'll use 9.5. Then input your process mean, which is the average of your measurements. Let's enter 10.1. Finally, enter your standard deviation, representing your process variation. We'll use 0.15. Once you click Calculate, the results show your CP value, indicating overall capability, and your CPK value, which accounts for how centered your process is. Higher values mean better performance. We have thousands of other free engineering calculators on our website. Head over and check them out.